If Lightroom is giving you error 201, don't worry. This is usually a network or install issue, and in most cases you can fix it in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you the safest and most effective steps to get Lightroom updating or installing again without wasting time. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes. First, check your internet connection. Error 201 often happens when the connection is unstable, so switch to a strong and reliable Wi-Fi network if possible. If your Wi-Fi is acting up, try using a mobile hotspot just to complete the installer update. Also, avoid public networks like school, office, or cafe Wi-Fi because they can block Adobe downloads or interrupt the connection. Next, temporarily disable your Firewall or Antivirus software. Sometimes Windows Defender Firewall or a third-party antivirus can stop Lightroom from connecting properly. On Windows, open your Firewall settings and turn it off briefly, then pause your antivirus protection if needed. After that, try the installation or update again. Just remember to turn your security back on once you're done. Now check for VPNs or proxies. These can interfere with Adobe servers and trigger error 201. Open your network settings, go to Proxy, and make sure it's turned off. If you're using a VPN, disconnect it completely and then retry Lightroom. A clean, direct connection often fixes the problem right away. If that still doesn't work, restart your computer and run Lightroom or the installer as an administrator. A fresh restart clears temporary glitches, and admin access can help the app complete the update properly. To do that, right-click Lightroom or the installer file and choose Run as Administrator. Another important fix is to update Lightroom through Adobe Creative Cloud instead of using an old installer. Open the Creative Cloud desktop app, sign in, and check for updates there. Adobe usually pushes the latest and most compatible version through Creative Cloud, which can prevent install errors like 201. If you follow these steps in order, you should be able to fix Lightroom error 201 and get back to editing quickly. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.